You're in your small corner and I am in mine. Then there shouldn't be a problem here. That part of the world is yours, this part is mine. Tell me what we're fighting for. I'm minding my own business, you should do the same. Then there shouldn't be a problem here. No, I'm not saying we shouldn't be a brother's keeper. Not when you're doing the same thing. The voice of the poor is crying everywhere. Why don't you fix your own problem? Let me fix mine. Hello, Mr. Government, I want you to answer me this question. Why do your soldiers go to war? Hello, Mr. Government, I want to fix this situation. Education should not be a death sentence. Hello, Mr. Government, can't you see you're getting older? And the children's blood is on your shoulder. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I know you don't want to have this conversation. So many questions left unanswered. Education should not be a death sentence. No, 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 no. Love and respect. Well, this is Billy Boy, the Jamaican cowboy, and this is my new song to come out, and the title of this song is Question. And I'm sure that a lot of us have unanswered questions that we'd really like to ask. And for real, this is a campaign that is going against war. We don't need, me personally, I wish there was no war. But guess what? The reality is just here. But at the same time, I am on a campaign against war. Because really and truly, if that part of the world is yours and this part of the world is mine, I alone and my family can't fill up the entire world. So we need people to take care of the rest of the world. So in spite of color, race or class or what have you,